The Adventures of Oliver the Otter. Oliver was a playful otter who loved to explore the river. One sunny day, he decided to gather his friends for an adventure. "Let's discover the hidden cave," he exclaimed. His friends, excited, followed him as they swam through the crystal-clear water. When they reached the cave, they found sparkling stones and colorful fish swimming around. But as they explored deeper, they heard a faint sound. "Help! Help!" came a tiny voice. It was a little fish trapped in some seaweed. Oliver quickly swam to the rescue, freeing the fish. Grateful, the fish thanked Oliver and his friends. They learned that helping others is the best adventure of all. After their journey, Oliver and his friends decided to clean the river, making it a safe place for all its inhabitants. They felt proud of their teamwork and kindness. Oliver realized that adventures are not just about discovering new places, but also about making a difference. From that day on, he continued to explore, spreading joy and friendship wherever he went.